Hello, Brent Zimmerman here, Midlands Home Inspections. For inspection out here in Omaha today. Our temperatures here have been below freezing for about a week and a half. We're single digits today, wind chill below zero. Came down the basement. Wanted to point out main wire lines coming into the home here. Wire's on. This line here is for the whole house. This line here is for the sprinkler system. The valve here is still turned on, so they still have wire flowing to their sprinkler system. Definitely not recommend it for that. We'll take a step outside and we'll show what we got going on outside due to this wire still being on. Here we are on the outside of the house now. Like I said, that wire on still is for the sprinkler system. You can tell we're all iced up. Backflow preventer's damaged in there. We got wire coming out of that. So definitely be recommending further evaluation correction from a qualified contractor. Come in here and get that corrected. This time of year we definitely need to get those sprinkler systems shut off and winterized properly. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections, looking for you.